Security forces conducted search and operations in Imphal West, Imphal East and Bishnupur districts in the last couple of days. Manipur police recovered 4 guns and 138 live rounds in the search from Imphal East district. According to a Manipur police control room, there are reports of men roaming around in camouflage carrying guns and looting money. 5 people in camouflage uniform carrying sophisticated weapons were arrested on the 16th of this month. They were produced before the judicial magistrate as per the law. It may be mentioned that a huge number of people had stormed into Porampad police station demanding their release. Police resorted to tear gas selling to disperse the crowd. Few people, including personnel of Rapid Action Force, were injured as well. On the other hand, 166 trucks carrying essential items have departed from Jiribam towards Imphal under strict security. In the last 2 days, 134 checkpoints have been installed and 1,833 persons have been questioned.